Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. For girls and women. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful collection of hairstyling in low maintenance. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyles. But in today's my collection, some ideas to short wave and curly hairstyle. And some ideas fine hairstyle. And so attractive collection of messy and spiky hairstyle. With beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved art. So beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved art, some ideas in lines, some ideas in zigzag, some ideas electric designs, and so beautiful collection. Trendy ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And different collection of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Beautiful ideas of blonde color. Some ideas in light blonde, some ideas dark blonde. And light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. Beautiful ideas of highlights with different ideas of roots. Dark roots. And many much more beautiful and latest collection. Latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyling, for girls and women just seen this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Stylish and gorgeous. I hope you must try it. My channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel, and I can't do without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. Share it your all over social media accounts. Like Facebook, Twitter, Insta, and many apps of social media. I hope you must share it. And I request you, please must share your feedback. Because it's very important for growing channel. must share with me about short hair for girls and women, haircut, hair dye, and hair styling, anything about short hair for girls and women. So please must share with me. I'll wait. So thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.